is Cheryl Martinez, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to go from an A cup to a D cup without surgery. So as you can see, right now my boobs look pretty big. My boobs are actually much smaller than they appear right now, but I have a little secret that I'm going to share with you guys today. So I've been working in the entertainment and modeling industry for a really long time, so I needed to learn the ways to make my boobs fit the description of the role that I'm applying for. So I have a couple tricks that I'm going to share with you guys, but first I want to show you what my boobs look like naturally without any of the magic going on here, okay? So first I'm gonna take out what I have here, which are inserts. It's called double scoop inserts, which I purchased on Amazon, so I'll put the link below here in the description. Here are my double scoops. So if I take out my double scoops, you can see they already look a little bit smaller, but still, you know, still not too bad. Maybe I just went down to like a C cup or a B cup. So now, if I take off my special bra, you can see what I look like without anything. So here we have no bra, no support, no nothing, just me, all natural. Girls, you don't have to get surgery, you can save a lot of money, and you can love yourself for who you are, knowing that you still have the option to look bigger whenever you want. So here is what I look like, again, without any type of magic support. Here we go. All right, so this is just me, all natural. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on this very special plunge bra. So there are a lot of bras out there like this. This one is from Victoria's Secret. It's called a Victoria's Secret plunge bra. It's a size 32B. See, right here. There you go, let's read that. And, but there's a lot of bras like this out there that have these types of big cushion inserts right here that you can see. So you can see how thick the bra is itself. It's very, very thick, okay? So that is key. You definitely have to get a push-up bra in the right size that it's gonna push you up and give you the most cleavage while still keeping you full right here, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go put this on real quick. So again, you can see the evolution from A to D. All right, guys? Just the push-up bra on, so it's definitely better than before, but it's still not really boom, va boom in your face yet, right? So here we have the difference from the side and the front. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in my favorite double scoop inserts to just give them that extra boost, all right? So I like putting these in actually upside down because there's already so much cushion right here. I turned it this direction, so this way I'm filling up the top area of my boob since the bottom area of my boob is already filled out by the bra. So I'm gonna stick these in upside down and pull on the boob a little bit just to bring it in. And there we have, see that one's bigger than this one now. And I'll add the other double scoop here. Position it in just right. Move over a little bit. Make sure it's getting as much cleavage as possible. And there we go. Now my boobs look banging again, huh? What do you guys think? So, feel deceived or fooled. I didn't mean to fool ya, but girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do. It's mostly for work-related purposes. We don't do this to fool you guys. We do it to make ourselves feel better, and for those of you that are in the entertainment or modeling industry like myself, we do it for those reasons as well. So don't worry, guys. They're still a lot of fun, even though they're small. I promise. They're great. So be sure to subscribe so you can stay tuned for my future videos, and you can hit me up on Instagram at Cheryl Martinez Music. Same thing on Facebook, and my Twitter is at Cheryl Martinez.